Hi, today I'll be showing you how to solve a system of equations with a matrix. So first thing you gotta do is put this system into the matrix form. So with the coefficients, so we got 2, 3, 2, and -1. So 2, 3, 2, and -1. Close this. And then next we will have just the variables, which are x and y. So we'll have an x and a y. And this is actually called a vector when there's just a matrix with only one column. So we got this vector here, and then we go to this side of the equal sign, which has 14 and 13. So put this in the matrix. Oops. Okay, well, yeah, you get the point. I just do that bad. But yeah. So next thing we have to do is find the determinant of this matrix. So, and how you do that is you gotta multiply subtract, you multiply 2 times -1 and subtract it by 2 times 3. So -2 minus 6. So you basically multiply this diagonal and then you subtract it from that. So -2 minus 6 equals -8. So that's our determinant. So next thing that we have to do to solve this is you have to find the inverse of this matrix. And how you do that is you swap these two numbers, like so -1 would go in this place and 2 would go here. And then these two numbers here on this side would both become the opposite of each other. So I mean, not the opposite of each other, they'll just become their opposites. So this will become a -2 because it's positive right now, and this will become a -3 because it's positive. So our inverse matrix would be let's see, -1 and 2 because those got swapped, and then -3 because that's the opposite, and a -2 up here. Alright, you got that? Alright, so now our next step is to multiply it by these two. So the other side of the equal sign. So we would multiply these two matrices. Sorry. Alright, so how you multiply is you would multiply 1 by, or -1 times this, and then 2 times this, and similar like that. So this would be -1 times 14, so -14, and then plus -2 times 13, so, well, it's plus, but this is negative, so we'll put a minus 26, and that would be -40. Alright, so next we have the bottom row. So -3 times 14 would be -42. Oh no, it would be positive 42. Sorry, let me erase that. Yeah, so 42. Wait, what am I doing? Sorry, it's actually negative. Wait, so 42, -42, and then plus 26, and that is -16. So now what we have to do is you have to do negative we have to do negative 1/8 of both of these. So negative 1/8 times 40, or negative 40, that would be 5, because 2 negative cancels out. So, and then negative 1/8 times negative 16, which would be a 2. So your answer would be 5, 2. Alright, and that is how you solve solve a system of equations with a matrix. Yeah. Okay, the end.